Here we have a question here. They say we should make x the subject of the relation. Now we're going to look for x as if we are looking for x as a value. That is not what we have. It's a very simple question. Questions like this is just your normal simple equation procedures. Having a fraction in an equality sign, the first thing is to cross multiply. We've already been doing this. And when we do that, we have something like this for 1. So we now have 3z times y equal to ax cubed minus b. What's the next thing? Remember that we're looking for x. X, we're going to take it to one side of the equation. So we now have 3zy plus b equal to a. This one is very simple. Can you see I've taken this b has crossed equality sign, the sign has changed to plus b on this other side. Now I can choose to write it like this as well. It's still very, very correct. Plus b. We are saying the same thing. Now, what's the next thing to do? Our simple equation. Divide both sides by a. Divide both sides by a. We have this. I will now say s raised to power 3 is equal to 3zy plus b all over what? A. All over a. Remember, we are looking for x, not x cubed. How do we do to a cube on this other side when it crosses equality sign by the people who are used to those kind of simple things? We say it becomes cube root. But alternatively, this is really what happened. What happened is that to remove, you need an inverse of 3, which is 1 over 3 for both sides of the equation. So you now have x raised to power 3, 1 over 3 equal to all in bracket 3zy plus b all over a all 1 over 3. What we have done here, I'm only explaining what is happening when some people will just tell you it becomes square root cube root on the other side. That's what I'm explaining here. So you can see it cancels out. So now x is equal to what? By interpretation of this in 6th law of indices, this is what we have. We have to do like this. 3zy plus b all over what? A. So this is what our x would be. So we made x the subject of the relation. It's very simple. Just your normal 3 things. I can always be saying it. Anybody that is doing solving formula, if you know these 3 things, your simple equations. What am I saying? 3 things? 2 things rather. Simple equations and initial equations. If you are done with those things very well, you have learned very well. I have a lot of them in my page. You check very well, you see it and you understand it. No question in subject formula that will be a problem for you. It's very simple. If you have learned something from this, make sure you check my page and learn most of these things I've done before. Most of the videos I've made on these simple equations and initial equations. When you learn them, every question that has to do with subject formula will be a very easy thing for you to address. See you in our next video.